Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, we have the last one from last month's monthly knife club box. This, of course, is the Kubey Scimitar. Now, this is going to be a decent size knife with one, well, you'll see why they call it the Scimitar. But, G10 handle, got some nice texturing going on there. There you go. Good texturing on that G10 gives you a wicked grip. Fairly open. You do have a G10 backspacer with a lanyard post going on. Now, this is right hand tip up carry only. It is not a reversible clip. As you can see, you've got that curvature going on. No left-handed clip in this one. We've seen that recently. But overall, fit and finish is pretty darn good. Centering is right on point. No issue. Blade to handle ratio, they might have could have eaten a little bit more out of there, but pretty much overall. And yes, everything chamfered off. Very nice. Very well done. I think that's what we've come to expect from Kubey over the years. Now, you do have single means of deployment. It's a flipper. Check out this blade. Wow! That is why they call it the Scimitar. That is a crazy scimitar, upswept blade. 14C28N on that one. You do have that forward choil, but you really do have to stay back on that flipper tab, because if I just nest in that, ooh, yeah, I'm right there. I'm right there in the corner. So to use that forward finger choil, you definitely need to kind of stay back on that flipper tab, kind of like I am there. I've got a little bit of room, not a whole lot. If you have larger hands, might be a little bit close, but dang, nice swedge. You do have some jimping going on up there. I'm in my natural grip, like so. I'm pretty much past the jimping. You know, I don't have very overly large hands by any means, and I'm kind of on that swedge and past the jimping. So there again, larger hands, the jimping, and even if I was to get the jimping, it's okay. It's kind of more for show than for use, honestly, in my opinion. But look at that. Oh, you know I'm digging that right there. The cradle. Absolutely. But, all right, let's get our spec check. We'll zoom out a little bit, straighten things out, and what do we have? Overall, you're looking at almost 8.5 inches. Not quite, 8 3/4-ish. Your handle is pushing just shy of 5 inches, probably about 4 7/8. Let's see. Overall blade length, roughly about 3.5, but you've got a wicked belly that's gonna stretch that out. And talk about, yes, it did very well. That long blade and that big belly did very well. On 6 and 9 thread wasn't even a challenge. 21 thread, yes, it came really good edge on it, and the big belly and blade length 8 through the 1/2 inch natural fiber rope, or 21 thread as I call it. Look at that. Yeah, that grip length right about 3.5 inches cradles my hand very nicely. 100%. So all right, let's get some size comparisons out here. There's the bug out. Obviously it's going to be much larger than the bug out. And the PM2, a little better. But, I mean, cutting edge wise, I mean, blade lengths are close. But overall cutting edge, yeah, the Scimitar with that belly and that upswept blade has got cutting edge for days. And, yeah, we're 1/4 inch or so on the handle. Let's get it. Now, you got to remember, guys, a lot of these knives that we get from monthly knife club box aren't necessarily newer knives. These are knives, I'm sure they get them at a discount, you know, from if they buy in bulk, they get them at a discount. And they're probably knives that didn't, or there's overstock. We'll put it that way. There's a lot of stock of, so they're plentiful to find. So 4.7 ounces or 134 grams. I know we did the wee snick recently. That one has definitely been out for a while. And in the pocket, goes in really nicely. Deep carry clip, not a whole lot of peekaboo going on. Maybe just a tiny bit. Decent retention on that clip. Not too bad. But overall. Now, I'm not huge on, these upswept blades. This style of knife. I have to admit, it worked fantastic for me. Cutting the rope at work. Full props. Full props on that. It's more of a design thing, I guess, just an aesthetic, a look. It doesn't really speak to me hard. Fit and finish, Kubey did well. Action, little shake shut. Detent is nice and solid, not too hard. Nice and solid. Action, it drops pretty well. But the big thing for me, the ergonomics of the handle are great. Now, I am feeling that. I am feeling the tip of that clip definitely more than I want to. I would definitely call it a hot spot. As you can see where it's hitting me, it's kind of making a crease, but it's just a little too far. I mean, it's a good size clip, good long clip at that upturn. It's a crapshoot sometimes. Sometimes I don't feel them at all. It's done, and it's all has to do with my hand size and where my hand lands in that knife. But with this one, I'm feeling it just a little bit more than I'd like to. So, overall, the cradle and the handle are fantastic. I love that. It's the perfect size for my hand. That 3.5 inch, it cradles my hand greatly. It's just that clip that I'm going to have to, probably not. Now, it's flat ground. I mean, everything else I like about the knife, except where that clip is hitting me. Now, $56. $56, you can find this one at White Mountain Knives. And you'll have to go look at this. Because when I play around with them sometimes. I found it at White Mountain Knives for $66. Put it in my cart because I wanted to check the code. BigRed10. Don't forget, if you shop at White Mountain Knives, BigRed10 will save you some money. But when I put it in my cart, it was listed at $56. It showed up in my cart as $44.80, which I thought was really, really interesting. So I was like, okay, let's see Big Red 10, throw Big Red 10 in there, and it brought it down to like $40. Maybe just under, 10%. So I found that very interesting. So if you're thinking this one might be one you'd like to have in your collection, go to White Mountain Knives and play around with it. Like I said, it showed 56. When I put it in my cart, it was listed at $44.80. Used code BigRed10, and it got it down for just under $40. So, not bad. Not bad at all. If you get this knife for $40, and this is the, a knife that you're really into, you like the design, all that other stuff, beware the clip. I'll throw that out there one more time. Dude, go check it out. Absolutely. Absolutely. But, greatly appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. Looking forward to this monthly Knife Club box to see what knives they give us to... Well, they don't give them to us, but what knives show up to review and check out. Have a wonderful rest of your day, guys. As always, like, subscribe, leave me that comment. I love talking to you. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.